Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at an IHG property, Holiday Inn Oakbrook, here for 2 nights, speaking at the Chicago Seminars Heritage Edition event, staying at the host property, and this is booked thanks to the conference organizer, Stefan. Thanks for the room, Stefan. You can see a nightstand next to the king bed, outlet right here, more modern, that I could just plug into the nightstand, some USB outlets right next to the king bed. Seeing around the room, a microwave towards the middle next to the bed, Keurig machine, and a desk for a laptop, workspace, ice container, some plastic cups on a table, air conditioning unit, and probably heat next to the window. Not much of a view here, just a parking lot, and another nightstand on this side. A big lamp, the plug's on the opposite side, so probably best to move the lamp. Get another view of the king bed. Some art on the wall. I have my luggage on the ground, but there's also a little area here, although I have my backpack and camera equipment. Some hooks for hats, clothing, coats. Their view of the king bed and my speaker badge, as I am here for an event. We'll be presenting tomorrow and then part of a panel. TV in the center, outlets next to the work desk. Nice setup here with at least 3 plugs, USB plugs, and even more plugs here. So this is great for a lot of charging purposes and device. Some more modern plugs or outlets in the room is nice to see rather than having to move nightstands or just a lack of plugs. Another shot of the Keurig machine. Mirror on this side. We'll go towards the bathroom area, but first a little hallway, ironing board, iron, hangers, no closet, it's just an open area on this side. Into the bathroom, see the mirror right when walking in, sink, toilet, and a bathtub shower combo. The curtain is a little wrapped on this side, not out, and some body wash, shampoo, conditioner on this side. Not disposable, it's built into the wall. More body lotion and hand wash, tissues, some art on this side, plugs next to the sink, just one sink on this side. Some of the paint's been redone around the door, so probably an older room, but at least updated with, we'll get closer to this unit and see what's going on this side. Little area here to pull up. Set it to hot, cool, or a fan. I did more plugs on this side for even more device charging. Once again, this is an IHG property, king bed room, staying at the Chicago Oakbrook Holiday Inn. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.